I've been looking into HOMETAP investment, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review. We'll go over the key features, benefits, and a few risks to keep in mind. So by the end of this video, you'll know if HOMETAP is the right investment option for you in 2025. So what exactly is HOMETAP? HOMETAP is an alternative investment platform that allows homeowners to access the equity in their homes without taking out a loan or adding to their debt. Instead of monthly payments, HOMETAP provides you with cash up front in exchange for a share of your home's future value. It's a unique approach for homeowners looking to unlock the value of their property without traditional financing. One of the standout features is no monthly payments. Unlike home equity loans or HELOCs, HOMETAP investors are paid back when you sell your home, or if you choose to settle the investment before selling within a 10-year window. It's also great for flexibility. You can use the funds for anything you need, whether it's home renovations, paying off debt, or funding life goals like education or a new business venture. HOMETAP also provides transparent terms and a quick funding process, making it user-friendly for homeowners looking for fast access to capital. However, there are some important considerations. Since HOMETAP takes a percentage of your home's future value, if your home appreciates significantly, you might end up paying back more than you would with a traditional loan. Also, HOMETAP is currently only available in select states, so availability might be limited depending on where you live. And remember, HOMETAP is an investment in your home's future value. It's not a loan, but it's still a financial obligation you'll need to settle eventually. Overall, HOMETAP offers an innovative solution for homeowners looking to tap into their home equity without the burden of monthly payments. If you're exploring alternative financing options in 2025, it's definitely worth a closer look. As always, consider speaking with a financial expert before making any decisions. Well, that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in next one.